Hi, my name is Summer. I'm the nurse at Ashland Natural Medicine, and today I'll be walking you through a post-heavy metals test. First, I'll show you what's inside the kit. This is your post-heavy metals toxin test, also called a timed, less than 24-hour urine collection. Inside, you will find a container to urinate into. This is your post-heavy metals urine collection container. You will have your patient name, date collected, date of birth that you will need to fill out on the collection container. It will be marked as a post-heavy metals urine collection. A specimen bag, an absorbent pad that will go into the bag, DMSA capsules, a 6-hour collection container, which expands, a FedEx envelope with a prepaid stamp, instructions that will be highlighted, a requisition form that will need to be filled out with the date collected, and your personal information. All these items should be within your test kit. If you're missing an item, please call our clinic and we can assist you. So, to complete your post-heavy metals test, you will take all your capsules at once. You may have a snack with it or wait about 30 to 45 minutes preferably so that it can metabolize. Please note, if you have a sulfa drug allergy, do not take these DMSA capsules. Call our clinic and we can arrange another type of chelation for you to perform this test. And from that point, you will collect your urine for 6 hours. You use this collection container when you urinate, and then you can pour it into here because it's a small opening, which does expand for 6 hours. And you might need to set yourself an alarm or some sticky notes around the house to remember to urinate into a cup every time and pour it into the bag. Then you will gently mix the bag because there will be sediment and pour into the red top tube. This red top tube is all you will need to mail to the lab. You may discard of the large bag of urine when you're done. You do not need to ship this to the lab. Make sure it's filled to the fill line here, and please make sure that you put your name, date collected, and date of birth on there so the lab knows who the specimen belongs to. We don't want them to forget or not know, or you'll have to do it again. Once you've completed your 6 hours, you can fill out your information on the requisition form. It's very important for the lab to be able to identify who this specimen belongs to. So please remember to label your requisition form and your urine specimen container. Once you've completed your 6 hours of collection in this great bag, and you've poured off your specimen into this tube, you will screw the lid on very tight, make sure it won't leak. Put it into the specimen bag and close it up. You will place it into the box like so, along with your requisition form, with both the tube and the requisition form with your name and information of date collected. Close it up. Put it in the bag. Undo the adhesive strip here to seal the bag. Put your label right on there and call FedEx for a pickup, and they will come right to your door to pick this up. You will see on the back of the instructions that there is a 1-800 number for FedEx that you can call. If you can't ship it off the same day, you can refrigerate it and have a pickup the next day. I think I covered it. You guys will do great, and if you have any questions regarding this test, please call the clinic, and I or one of the physicians will talk to you about how to complete this test. Again, my name is Summer Blue, and I am the nurse at Ashland Natural Medicine. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to collect your post-heavy metals test so that we can further your treatment plan and get you better chelated. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. It would help us out greatly. Thank you.